right, kids, at it again. Go.
Bruh.
Yeah, your son is fine.
What's up everybody, Thomas Anderson, DCIV, and today we found a little spot. We are with Flow FPV. And still Desmond doesn't have a FPV name yet, but sooner or later. We're here with the demis, let's get some cracking.
This morning I wake up and I look in the mirror. Every part of my body was in the place many people lie. I don't wanna act too high and mighty, cause tomorrow I may fall down on my face. Lord, I thank you for sunshine. Thank you for rain. Thank you for joy. Thank you for pain. It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.
A world where anything is possible. Where we go from there is a choice I leave to you.